fam? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. I'm Mike G, and today we're going to be making something really delicious, quesadillas with grilled chicken, and we're going to spice this thing up right out the front door. It's going to be double delicious, appetizing, tantalizing, just the way you like it. This is Flava Foodie. Let's get started. All right, y'all, these are my ingredients that I'll be using. I'm glad you've come back to my channel, and I hope you're having a wonderful day today, and I hope all is well, your family is in good health, and you are in good health just as well. I want to make something really good for you to enjoy today. These are quesadillas. So these are my ingredients, guys. I'm going to be using 3 chicken thighs. Seasonings will be salt. I'll be using some pepper, sazon, any spices you like, such as cumin, along with that sazon that has cumin in it. I'll be using some chili powder, also some smoked paprika, and a few other seasonings that I'll leave at the bottom in the description box for you. So I got my chicken thighs all seasoned up. I'll leave all of that down in the description box for you of what amounts of ingredients I did add to this seasoning to season the chicken thighs. For your cheese, you could use a cheddar, Monterey Jack, or a blend of cheeses as well. Of course, I'm going to be using a red pepper, sliced and diced. That's optional if you like to use that, and a green pepper along with the yellow pepper, and a red onion chopped. That's all. Remember, all of this is optional if you like. I'll be using 3 large tortillas. This will be my sauce. I'm using some Duke's mayonnaise, some sour cream, some Chick-fil-A ketchup, along with some chili sauce and some salsa. I'll also add to this dipping sauce, I'll add some smoked paprika to take it up a notch even more. It'll taste very delicious with the quesadillas. But don't forget to like, subscribe, and add a comment. I'd love to hear from you. And have you tried the recipes? What you got cooking? So I know, and if it's something that you like to see me cook. All right, we're gonna put all our vegetables into our skillet and sear these up real good so that we can now put our quesadillas together. So I'll just mix them all around and get them nice and seared up. I don't want to fry them down so they're so lucid that they lost their crunch. I just want to sear them up real good and give them a nice little softness to them, but I still want that slight crunch for our quesadillas. I'll add a little bit of this smoked paprika with this. We're gonna grill our thighs on our griller. And you can do this at home. It's a very easy process. It's a nice griller to have when it's cold outside. You want to do something inside. You don't want to go out on your patio or in your backyard and, you know, turn up your grill or start up your grill in the cold. So again, you can do this right at home. I'm gonna press this down. I want to get those grill marks on these chicken thighs. And the way I'm going to keep them tender is I'm going to, you know, spray a little bit of mist on them here and there to keep them tender. So far, they're looking great. And they will taste just as good as they look because they're well seasoned and they set for at least about 20 minutes to half an hour before I put them on the grill. They're going to be very delicious. Again, this is Mike G. This is Flava Foodie, and thanks again for coming to the channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down the bottom. I'm going to get a little spray of mist here. I add a little bit of kosher salt on top of them since they're almost done. Looking good. Okay, these are almost done. We're going to take them off the griller and we're going to plate this up. I'll cut these in cubes to get them prepared for our tortillas. Let's get these off the grill. They look good, they smell good, and I mean the aroma from these grilled chicken thighs is so deliciously smelling. So we'll cut these up in cubes and we'll get them prepared for our tortillas. Again, I'm Mike G. This is Flava Foodie. We're gonna flavorize this whole thing and we're gonna make it taste really good. If we had smell-o-vision, it would be dangerous because you're gonna enjoy this very delicious treat that we have for you today on the channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Again, guys, I'd love to hear from you. You know, it's sometimes when you have content creators that are doing food, sometimes we don't always get the likes that we want, especially if you're just starting out. You know, it's sometimes hard to get likes because people will come by your site and they'll see it and they won't stay. They'll either go and or give a thumbs up. What I like to do when I go to different sites, I always thumbs up. I don't care if I don't like what you're doing or if I don't, I just give you a thumbs up because I know how hard it is to just get somebody. I don't have too much of an opinion. I understand the struggle. I understand the passion that you put into what you're doing. So that's why I give a thumbs up everywhere I go. I don't care who you are. You know, you can have 1 million. I'm going to still give you a thumbs up because, I know your effort. You came from somewhere. But I think sometimes if we become too complacent about, and a little too judgmental about what somebody's cooking, we're not going to give them a thumbs up. You want to encourage people. And that's one of the things I live by, is trying to encourage the next person to do something great with the talent that God has given them. And again, we're making quesadillas with grilled chicken and a wonderful trio of different vegetables. So I got a little bit of mozzarella, some cheddar sharp, and I got some plain cheddar. I was going to use a buffalo wing cheese. It's really good. I mean, you can get it at your local grocery. So I put my cheese on it, got my chicken on it. Now we'll put those vegetables that we did earlier that were all seasoned. I'll add that flavor to that chicken along with the cheese, and then we'll fold this and just press down and give it a nice sear. Just 1/4 of this quesadilla will fill you up. Press down. Let's flip this over. Get that cheese nice and melted in there. Oh, so it's looking pretty good, guys. So we'll get this all done up really good. Add a little bit more chicken to this quesadilla. So far, it's looking good. It smells good. We'll add the rest of our mixed vegetables, place on this wonderful tasting treat. Bring all that goodness out for you today. Again, welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like if you like the content. Don't forget to like, subscribe. We'll flip this over. We'll press down on this, get that cheese nice and melted before we take it out. We'll plate this up and turn it into something beautiful and delicious for you. And here you have it. Something really scrumptious for the appetite. Quesadillas with grilled chicken and a wonderful collaboration of vegetables, green peppers, yellow peppers with our dipping sauce, our Chipotle dipping sauce. And it's just very tasty. I mean, the chicken has a nice grilled taste to it, and also the dipping sauce is very tasty. It comes together very well because you have a little bit of sweet and you have a little bit of saltiness. I mean, you can enjoy this. You can't really eat all of these. I cannot eat all of these, so I'll try one of them. We'll put a little bit of sauce on there. As you can see, the cheese is nice and melted. Again, we used a mozzarella with this because I like that little stringiness with the mozzarella along with the cheddar. I wanted some Kobe Jack on this, but I didn't have that. So it tastes very good. You could taste the cumin. You could taste all of those good ingredients is on there mixed with that chicken. It just takes it to a whole new level, and especially that sauce, it just brings it up even more. It's like fire. You can really enjoy this. What a snack, what a treat, and all that goodness in between. Appreciate you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you again for coming to my channel. And happy birthday to my mother, 90 years of age. It was a wonderful time me and my family had out of town. So again, thanks for your patience. I'm back, and let's get this thing started. I'm Mike G. This is Flava Foodie. Thank you for coming to my channel today. Again, until next time, you've been flavorized.